Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the one of the important content of financial market chapter of business study, that is concept and nature of financial market. Concept and nature of financial market. Before analysis, before analyzing the concept of financial market, let us see the overall situation of our corporate sector. Basically, there are two sector working in the economy as per money demand and money supply is concerned. There are two sectors. One is household savers and another is business firm. Household savers household savers are those individuals who want to save money or who have surplus money. That surplus part is called household saver. And another part is business firm. Business firm always require money. यानी कि हमारा इकोनॉमी में दो सेक्टर बना हुआ है। एक सेक्टर है जहां फंड या मनी को सेविंग किया जाता है एंड अनदर सेक्टर जहां पर हमेशा बिजनेस का फंड का रिक्वायरमेंट है। वन इज सप्लाई सेक्टर एंड अदर इज रिक्वायरमेंट सेक्टर। हाउसहोल्ड sectors are known as investor sector or surplus sector of the economy, whereas business firm is known as demand sector or required sector in the economy. Now, as per household sectors are concerned, suppose a person wanted to save his money. What are the options available to him? What are the options available to that person? Common man, a common investor have two options. Either he or she can deposit his surplus in the bank, or he or she can invest in the financial market. There are two options are available. There are two options are available for a investor, चाहे वो पैसा बैंक में रखें और ना तो वो पैसा फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट करें। ये हो गया सरप्लस यूनिट के बाद, यानी कि किसी व्यक्ति और इन्वेस्टर्स के पास जब सरप्लस फंड होता है वो पैसा को चाहे वो बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर सकता है और या फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में रोटेट कर सकता है। नाउ, बिजनेस फर्म और इंडस्ट्री फर्म ऑलवेज रिक्वायर मनी. Business firm or industry firm always require money. Now the question is how that business firm will get money. One, from bank by taking loan and from financial market. ठीक, बिजनेस फर्म का भी पास दो ऑप्शन है पैसा उधार लेने का। एक ऑप्शन हो गया वो बैंक एंड फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से ले सकता है और दूसरा ऑप्शन है फाइनेंशियल मार्केट से ले सकता है। तो ये जो रोटेशन वाइज चलता है दैट सिस्टम इज नॉन एज फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम। एट फर्स्ट, बिफोर एनालिसिस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मार्केट वी हैव टू learn about that financial system, about this financial system. Basically, the four indicator of this financial system, one is business firm, another is household savers, third is bank, and fourth is financial market. In this picture, it shows how financial system continue in our economy. Now, let us discuss actually what is the meaning of financial market. In this diagram also we can see business firm is known as investors, household firm is known as savers, bank and financial market. The rotation wise we can see in the previous slide also. Now the meaning and features of financial market. Now meaning and features of financial market. Now in every economy, there are mainly two sectors. One is household. They save funds and they are known as savers. Second, business firm. They invest funds and they are known as investors. What is the meaning of financial market? Financial market refers to whole network of all organizations and institutions that provides short-term, medium-term and long-term funds. Once again, financial market financial market refers to the whole network of all organizations and institutions that provides short short medium एंड लॉन्ग टर्म फंड्स। यानी कि फाइनेंशियल मार्केट एक ऐसा सिस्टम है हमारा इकोनॉमी में जहां ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और इंस्टीट्यूशंस जिसके जिसका पैसा का डिमांड है वो शॉर्ट टर्म, मीडियम टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म फंड्स को पा सकता है। इन अदर वर्ड्स, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट refers to a platform in which financial market refers to a platform in which provide facilities to savers for save their money, to investors for invest their money and to business firm for arrangement of financial requirement। यानी कि फाइनेंशियल मार्केट एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां इन्वेस्टर्स अपना पैसा को सेव कर सकता है, इन्वेस्ट कर सकता है और बिजनेस फर्म अपना रिक्वायरमेंट के अनुसार, अपना रिक्वायरमेंट के मुताबिक उस पैसे को कलेक्शन कर सकता है। दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मार्केट। वंस अगेन, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट रेफर्स टू द होल नेटवर्क ऑफ ऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस। Financial market is an organization or an institutions that provides short, medium and long term funds। जहाँ शॉर्ट, मीडियम एंड लॉन्ग टर्म फंड्स के बारे में हम लोग पा सकते हैं। मार्केट के बारे में हम लोग सभी जानते हैं। मार्केट एक ऐसा नेटवर्क है जहाँ डिमांड एंड सप्लाई के बेसिस पे गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज का परचेज सेल होता है। बट फाइनेंशियल मार्केट इज नॉट मार्केट फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ गुड्स or services. It is a market which provides exchange facilities of financial assets। Now, let us discuss what are the different mechanisms through which funds can be allotted and mobilized from householder to business firm। From householder to business firm यानी कि किस तरह से फंड हाउसहोल्ड सेवर्स से बिजनेस फर्म तक जाता है। We have already discussed there are two important content in the economy. One is bank. Household can deposit their surplus funds with bank। हाउसहोल्ड जो सरप्लस यूनिट है, कोई कॉमन कस्टमर, वन कॉमन इन्वेस्टर्स, वो बैंक में पैसा डिपॉजिट कर सकता है। हु इन टर्म लेंड दिस फंड्स टू बिजनेस फर्म। आफ्टर दैट बैंक विल प्रोवाइड different types of loan to business and industry. Once again, bank is one of the medium where household can deposit their surplus fund, and these funds can be given as a loan to the business and industry. Number 2, financial market. Financial market is a place. Financial market is a place. Financial market is a system where financial assets can be exchanged. Financial market is a market for the creation and exchange of financial asset. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट एक ऐसा मार्केट है जिसमें हम लोग फाइनेंशियल एसेट का परचेज सेल कर सकते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फाइनेंशियल एसेट. फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स आर सिक्योरिटीज, बॉन्ड्स और एनी अदर सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट्स. दीज आर नॉन एज फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स. तो दीज एसेट्स आर एक्सचेंज थ्रू फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. Now, functions of financial market. Number 1, financial market provide liquidity to financial asset. That means when any kind of financial assets are exchanged in the financial market, this exchangeability will provide liquidity to the financial assets. Number 2, reduce the cost of transactions. Obviously, financial market reduces the cost of transaction. Financial market provides complete information regarding price, availability, and cost of various financial securities. So, investors and companies do not have to spend much on regarding this information, as it is readily available in financial market. Third point, mobilizing of saving and channelizing them into the most productive uses. Financial market act as a link between savers and investors. Financial market transfer saving of savers to most appropriate investment opportunities. Most appropriate investment. Fourth, price facilitates price discovery. Facilitates price discovery. Price of anything depends upon the demand and supply factor. Demand and supply of financial asset and securities in financial market help in deciding the prices of various financial securities.